this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to create a vendor inside of FreshBooks. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up FreshBooks like you usually would. Then from here you need to go down to expenses and down to vendors. Then from here it should be looking something like this. Then you need to go up to create a new vendor up here in the right hand corner. And this page will be popping up. Then from here you can add in the company name. You can add a first name for your contact, a last name for your contact, an account number, an email address, the company's website, and the company's phone number. You can also down here add the address if you want to do that. But when you're done, you simply need to go over to settings. I need to change the currency and language if you want to do that. Or you can add in a sales tax type if you want to do that. And you can do that by clicking here and click apply tax. Then from here in done, I need to click save. And as you can see down here in your vendor list, all vendors, you can see that the company has been registered down here. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comments section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!